Welcome to the Volvo Freak, and today it will be very exhausting episode because we are doing the exhaust. So we get rid of this one and yes, we will be installing the new Simon's exhaust on a 940 turbo. So let's crack on. So before we install the new one, let's listen how the old one actually sounds like, and then we can compare. Probably someone you just is trying to figure out, okay, what's the difference between the sound as well on the stock exhaust or stock rusted exhaust, I would say, and Simon's exhaust. Right, let's do it. So starting from that clamp, we need to remove and replace the exhaust system because that clamp is rusted. There is almost the hole rusted, and there is no clamp at all, and that one is rusted through. And yeah, this one is almost disintegrated as well. That's not too bad, but here's also falling off. And yeah, that's at least doing the job, but that's not so very nice. So out result, and then we install the new bits there. Right, we start there and go all the way back. All right, we cut that clamp off. Coming out, yeah, almost there, yes. Oh, it is off. So now you heard the stock exhaust sound, and as you saw, we removed the old exhaust from the car, and maybe it's time as well to listen how it sounds then where is no exhaust, it's just after the catalytic converter. Let's do that as well. Sounds a bit loud and throaty, but okay, we cannot drive with that one, not here at least on the Swedish roads, so we need to install the new one. Okay, let's unpack the Simon's exhaust. So let's take a look what's inside the package. A lot of paper, of course, and here it is. So this is the so-called middle silencer. And we have that's the, please read carefully before you install the exhaust system. Read the manual. We'll do it installation first. So this is the bracket for the end silencer, I believe. Then we have some hardware and some pipes. Then it's the pipe over the axle. And then of course, then we have a rear silencer as well. There's two versions of it, so it could be single pipe out, or it could be double pipes as well. And then if you want, I mean, I can put it in the description, the Simon's part numbers there. I'm not affiliated by them, but if you want to find out the part numbers, or you can Google them yourself afterwards if you want, then you can. But okay, then let's try to get this under the car. So this is how it looks pre-installed, but it's not tightened. So here we have a catalytic converter, here we have a middle silencer, and in the kit there is like a extension pipe, a bit longer one. But for me that one is a bit too long, so actually I cut it for a couple centimeters shorter. So you just do it here, then you go there, that's the middle one, and then it's the over the axle pipe, and then there you have a rear silencer. So this is how it looks for a rear silencer, and here you have a clamp that goes over it. So that one as well is a bit loose, because then you can move it where it needs to be aligned with the hangers over there. And there is a exhaust tip. All right, so it's in the place. Now we need to just tighten the bolt and then start it up. Okay, now we have tightened everything up, so now we can remove the cover, and voila, isn't it nice one? So let's start it up and let's hear it.